Hey everyone, this is Arjan Breunesse again with a quick follow-up video on CINC call procedures. Thomas has mentioned that I use, or at least try to use, the 3-3-3 formulas as he calls it. I like that, pretty catchy phrase, so let's keep that in. Let me explain how that works. Okay, this is, well, the leads dashboard. This is my basic screen. You'll see with the system that I'm using that these are all actually pretty new leads, that most of them are contacted in the contacted stage. So quite a bit of green there. So I do get a hold of a lot of people. Now the 3-3-3 formula, let me show you what it entails. What it is, it's 3 calls per day the first 3 days. Now that seems really like an awful lot, but I'll explain that to you in a second, how I cheat on that. All right, so 3 calls per day the first 3 days, 3 calls per week the 3 weeks after those 3 days, and then 3 calls per month the 3 months after those 3 weeks. All right, so technically it's about 4 months total procedure. Now let me show you how we set that up. Okay, I cheat because what it is, the first 3 days, 3 calls per day, that is an awful lot. I try to call at between like 8 and 9 in the morning, and then again like between 4 and 6 when everybody's traveling home from work, and then if they don't answer again, I'll try at night if I can between 7 and 8. Now reality is there's no way I'm going to be calling every single lead for the first 3 days 3 times a day. It's just not practical. Weekends might be there might be a weekend in between that I'm gone, or I have kids soccer practice or whatever, you know, things like that. So what I do, I create 3 sets of saved filters. Now we set a pipeline stage to attempted contact only, because we only want to go after the ones that we have never spoken to, which is the attempted contact pipeline stage. Then we set a filter for the registration date, and I'm going to show exactly how to do this. It's very easy. All right, so the first call 3 times per day, we'll set it for the last 7 days. So basically what I do the first 7 days, I try to call 3 times a day. That's my cheat. All right, because otherwise you go nuts. So then we have 3 times per week. I do the 3 weeks after that. So technically that's about day 8 through, let's say, 38. Doesn't have to be exact. Then here we got the 3 months after that. So that's technically day 39 through about day 100. Okay, as long as these days match up. The 7th day, 8th day, and then here, you know, the 38th day and the 39th day. Right? You can, whatever you're comfortable with. If you want to make it for 3 days, it's fine. If you want to make it 2 weeks, it's up to you. But this works really good for me, so that's how I've set it. And what I do as well, I exclude certain labels that I have labeled as ignore. Like I might have, you know, maybe the email is invalid, or maybe the phone number proved to be disconnected. I assign a label as ignore, and after a while I just don't want to include those as in my call list.